Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit background on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing the background on your Squarespace site is an important design element, and you have various options depending on whether you want to change the background color, image, or video. Once you are logged in to your Squarespace account, I want you to go to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the account dashboard. And from here, all you have to do is navigate to the page where you want to edit the background. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. I'm going to click on website and hover to the section you want to edit and click the edit button here. Now, I wanted to change the background of all my interface here on my Squarespace website. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the add sections. If you hover your mouse to that, what will happen is you would be forwarded. Hold on. You see that? There's going to be an option that says view layout and edit section. If you click that, you have three options here: the design, background, and colors. Of course, we're choosing a background. I'm going to add an image. You have three options. You can select from library or browse stock images. I'm going to use the stock images, and you have like an option for the free ones, which is powered by Unsplash. Right, so it's up to you. I leave the discretion to you on what image would you like to use in this specific background. Are you going to for the snow, buildings, galaxy and spaces, flowers? But if you wanted to have more control, you might want to click on the premium images powered by Getty. But the thing is, you need a paid subscription plan for you to be able to use it. All right, so you have to take note of it. Now, for me, I'm just gonna try to use their free images for now, and I'm looking for a vibrant color. Maybe this one. Click on add image. Because if you do that, what will happen is users are more likely to interact with your content, like click buttons, read more if the background makes the site visually pleasing and easy to navigate, as you can see, right? And by changing the background color right here or image for different sections of a page, you can visually break up content, making the site easier to navigate and digest. This is particularly helpful for long pages or blog posts. You can use different backgrounds to highlight important sections like CTAs, promotions, or maybe a featured content. Of course, you might want to make sure that you also check the mobile view, because with responsive design in mind, editing your background helps ensure that your site looks great across devices. Now, I'm trying to change the background again. I'm going to choose another image. Click on replace if you wanted to change, and browse stock images. I'm going to choose maybe something darker, maybe like this one. I'm gonna try this. And of course, by regularly updating your background keeps your site fresh and modern, helping your site stay up to date with design trends. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.